Let's just get you the very latest from Punjab in the pastor case, and the popular pastor who has been on the run, who was named in a sexual harassment case. Now that has, of course, he's been booked for stalking. A complaint was filed by a 22-year-old woman. Of course, what is really being said in the defense of the pastor is that the lady had stopped coming to the church for about 3 years, and this is a case that she has raked up. Now an SIT has been formed in order to probe that case, and the women's body is taking cognizance as far as the case is concerned. The NCW is urging a swift action in the case that involves allegations that are being made against this pastor for sexual harassment during this is of course a lot of people coming out in his defense, saying that he wasn't even there. She wasn't even coming to the church for the last 3 years, and this is being made in order to malign the pastor who continues to be on the run.
पेरेंट्स ਨੂੰ ਘਰਵਾ ਦੇਣਾ, ਤੇਰੇ ਪਾਪਾ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਚਾਹਨੀ ਆ ਘਰ ਵਾਪਸ ਨਾ ਆਣ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਰ ਮੈਂ 2022 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਟੌਰਚਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋ ਗਏ। ਮੈਂ ਸਰ ਕਾਲਜ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਸੀ, ਮੇਰੇ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ, ਮੈਨੂੰ मतलब डराने की धमकाने की पूरी कोशिश, पिछे गड्डियां ला देनियां मेरे घर तक, मैनू घरों निकलन तक तो मैं मजबूर हो गई सी। उस तो बाद मैनू बार बार धमकियां देनियां। मैं जद इन्हां दी चर्च जांदी सी ते मैनू बैड टच करते सी, मेरे नाल गलत गल्लां करते सी। सर बैड टच इन्ना मतलब कि जे उत्तों आ कहना, जे तू किसी नूं भी आ गल दसी, तेरी मदर बाहर आ, तैनूं नहीं पता तेरी मदर चर्च तो बाहर जानी भी है या नहीं।
Gurpreet joining us to get us the very latest. Gurpreet, take us through, of course, the woman there, the victim there, narrating the incidents that's led up to, that FIR that has been filed, and SIT has been formed. A women's body also, the NCW there, taking cognizance of the matter and urging for swift action to be taken against the pastor.
Well, yes, we have seen a few days back a complaint has been lodged by a 22-year-old victim who has already alleged this pastor was abusing her sexually, and after that the police has already registered a case against him. What we have learned, the investigators say he has been on run for last so many days, because after registering of FIR they had been conducting multiple raids to nab this pastor. What we have seen during the preliminary investigation, they have also found this victim has been going to this pastor when she was 16-year-old, and since that time she was being sexually abused by this pastor. These are the allegations which has been leveled against this pastor by this victim. So now the investigation is already underway. We have seen he is not first time he has seen into this controversy. Earlier also some of the cases which has been registered, and the Mohali court has already issued non-bailable warrant against this pastor for in one of the cases. So the police is trying to get all the details so that they will be able to investigate this matter in detail. So we have to wait and watch. We have seen other side, the Women Commission has already taken cognizance and asked the police to give a detailed report in this case. Back to studio.